Okay, so in this question, we want ultimately 500 grams of 86% chocolate. Okay, so it's 500 gram, it's mixed with some other things, but we want purely 86% of this to be chocolate. Now to get that, we have a 99% chocolate and we have a 70% chocolate. The question is, how much of each, should we mix? So we don't know. So let's let the amount we take from the 99% chocolate be X. Or let's let the amount in grams of amount we take from the 70% chocolate be Y. Okay, first condition. We know that the sum of X plus Y must be 500. Okay? And we know that the X only 0.99, well, mostly, right? Most of it is, but 0.99 of X, 99% of X is pure chocolate. And 0.7, 70% of Y is pure chocolate. That is equal to the pure chocolate amount in the final result that we want, which is 0.86 times by 500. Okay, does that make sense? That's the translation. That's the system of linear equation we get from translating the question English to math. Once we're here, right, we can solve it by elimination or substitution. Okay, so here I'm going to solve it by substitution. Let y be 500, right? 500 minus x. I'm going to call that equation 1. I'm going to call this equation 2. Solving equation 1 into equation 2, so dot y we can replace it with 500 minus x. If you multiply that, you get 430. So you get 0.99x, 0.7 times by 5, that's 350, minus 0.7x. Okay, so that's going to be 0.29x. 430 minus 350 is 80. So I get that. Okay, we have to round our answers to nearest grams. So 276 grams of the 99% chocolate. And we're going to take, for y, 500 minus x, which is 224 grams of the 70% chocolate. That's how we're going to, if we mix it in that way, the final result will be an 86% chocolate of 500 grams.